How botnets work. Your laptop is on. Your phone is connected. Everything seems normal. But in the background, your device could be doing something you never asked it to do. Sending traffic. Running commands. Part of a larger network you cannot see. That is the idea behind a botnet. A collection of devices quietly controlled from somewhere else. So today, we are going to walk through how botnets actually work and how ordinary devices can become part of something much larger. Chapter 1. What a botnet is. A botnet is a network of compromised devices. These devices are controlled remotely by an operator. Each device in the network is often called a bot. Together, they form a coordinated system. Chapter 2. How devices become infected. Devices become part of a botnet through malware. This can happen through downloads, vulnerabilities, or malicious links. Once infected, the device runs code that allows remote control. The user may not notice any visible changes. Chapter 3. Command and control. Botnets rely on a command and control system. This is where instructions are sent from the operator to the bots. The commands can direct devices to perform specific actions. Communication can be centralized or distributed. Chapter 4. Communication methods. Bots need to receive instructions. They communicate with control servers using network connections. Some systems use direct connections, while others use more distributed methods. This helps maintain control even if parts of the network are disrupted. Chapter 5. Types of botnets. Botnets can be structured in different ways. Some rely on central servers. Others use peer-to-peer communication. Each structure has advantages in terms of control and resilience. Chapter 6. Common uses. Botnets are often used to perform coordinated tasks. This can include sending large amounts of traffic to a target. They can also distribute spam or perform other automated actions. The scale of the network increases their impact. Chapter 7. Distributed actions. The strength of a botnet comes from numbers. Each device contributes a small amount of activity. Combined, they create a significant effect. This distributed approach makes actions more powerful. Chapter 8. Staying hidden. Botnets are designed to avoid detection. They may operate quietly in the background. Communication can be disguised or encrypted. This makes them harder to identify and remove. Chapter 9. Detection and prevention. Detecting botnets involves monitoring unusual activity. Security systems look for patterns that indicate compromise. Preventing infection requires keeping systems updated and secure. Awareness plays a key role in reducing risk. Chapter 10. Impact on systems. Botnets can affect both individual devices and larger networks. They can consume resources and reduce performance. At a larger scale, they can disrupt services. Their impact depends on how they are used. Chapter 11. Response and mitigation. Once detected, botnets can be disrupted. This may involve shutting down control servers or removing malware. Mitigation requires coordination between different systems. It is often an ongoing process. Chapter 12. The bigger picture. Botnets reflect the interconnected nature of modern devices. As more devices connect to networks, the potential for misuse increases. Understanding how botnets work helps in recognizing and preventing them. Security remains an important part of connected systems. To wrap up, botnets work by infecting devices and connecting them into a controlled network. They rely on command systems to coordinate actions across many devices. Their strength comes from scale and distributed activity. Detection and prevention focus on identifying unusual behavior and securing systems. While often hidden, botnets are a significant part of modern cybersecurity challenges. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.